Hello little artists! Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we learn flower drawing. At first, we draw a circle shape, the middle part of the flower. Next, we draw many flower petals to make the flower more attractive. Flowers are like nature's colorful confetti. They come in all sorts of shapes and sizes. Some flowers smell sweet and yummy. Other flowers have a strong, spicy scent. Flowers have petals, which are like little wings. The center of a flower is where the pollen lives. Pollen helps flowers make seeds for new plants. Bees and butterflies love to visit flowers for their nectar. The sun helps flowers grow big and strong. Water is also important for flowers to drink. Some flowers grow on trees while others grow in the ground. Flowers can be red, yellow, blue, pink, and many more colors. We can plant flowers in gardens to make them pretty. Flowers can be used to make perfumes and other scents. Some flowers are even used in cooking, like edible roses. Flowers are a great way to brighten up a room or a space. We can give flowers to people we love. Flowers symbolize many things like love, beauty, and joy. Flowers are a reminder of nature's beauty all around us. Pink color. Orange color. Purple color. Green color. Red color. Blue color. Pink color. Brown color. Yellow color. Pink color. Yellow color. Green color. Pink color. Yellow color. Blue color. Brown color. Yellow color. Red color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.